All right then. This one. Look at this gas line. I think I've heard of this before, but I've never seen it myself and I don't understand it. You got some line inside of a line, and what happened, I looked in the tank and I noticed that the filter was just about ready to come off, and it was attached to this little skinny part, so it was being constricted. That doesn't appear to go all the way up here. I don't know what the deal is there. If anybody has seen that before and know why that's like that, just let me know. Yeah, I'm thoroughly confused. I've been pulling this out of there. It's obviously stretching. And this right here was constricted right there and actually shrank. That gas line pulled right out. This part was exposed above, and it actually looks and feels pretty
good. But I don't know what's going on there.
pretty weird. And they give extra gas line, but I don't know if it's enough. They're pretty short pieces. Fuel line. Nope, there isn't big enough. I think they're long enough. Sure. Right then. Let's go ahead and do it. Upon further inspection, turns out it's the inner lining of this hose. It separates and is constricted. Some of that I pulled and stretched it, but it was that diameter right at the pickup, right there. So that was one reason why the person had a problem with this chainsaw and not knowing how to work on it. Just put it down and bought another one or something. Reckon we'll take a gander and see what this looks like under here. How dirty is it? How dirty is it? Not too shabby. I'm seeing dirty. Oh. We'll go apply some air to it. Well, I got this one cleaned out pretty good. And I decided to put the old carburetor from that other one that I rebuilt, the orange Poulan, and put that in here because I'm kind of wondering if when I was trying to tune that other one that I did it wrong. It's not hard to change out the carburetor, so instead of grabbing the other new one, I'm going to put this one in there and we'll see what happens. The spark plug on the right is the one supplied with the carburetor, and as you can see, it's longer. So I'm going to stick with the Husqvarna spark plug and make sure the gap is right. Clean it up. Let's try to start it. I like it when people get rid of these just because, easy stuff like gas lines and whatnot. This is the carburetor out of the orange Poulan. I didn't adjust it right, so I bought a carburetor that I didn't need, but I got one on hand now, and I get these quite often, so I'll probably end up using it eventually. The only thing with this one, it's missing a few parts. The side cover needs a bar, and a chain, and the filter cover is missing as well. I need to locate some of those parts. Alright, so I stole that cover off this one here. I stole the bar and chain off here. And I stole the filter and cover off that one. So, I'm going to have to do some scrounging to try to find some more parts and stuff. It's alright. There's another one done. Waiting for more carburetors coming to mail. We'll see ya.